Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 6 September. On the front page you have this news, trade talks stuck as US presses gas aircraft sales to India. So at the 2+2 dialogue which has taken place, it has been seen that the dialogue has stuck on economic issues, trade issues, because USA is having a trade deficit with India. India has a surplus of around $23 billion. So what US administration wants is that this deficit which they have should be taken care of. So they want commitment from India that for the next 3 years, every year we'll buy $10 billion of commodity from them. So of course India is not ready for that. Even gas or can be one of these commodities. Then next is Supreme Court throws out plea to ban Malayalam novel Misha. So this Malayalam novel Misha has been in news for long. We have discussed about it in detail too. If not, you should know about the content of this novel which has resulted in the controversy and how the Supreme Court has thrown out any petition to ban this novel. So this is right to freedom of expression too. Then down here you have this news, CCI widens probe into unfair pricing by Delhi private hospitals. So this is regarding Competition Commission of India looking into these huge profit margins from sales of products to inpatients which these Delhi private hospitals accrue. And this is Mumbai could get Uber air taxis by 2023. So infrastructure development. Then on page 3 you have this news, Odisha youth falls victim to Momo challenge. So the way we had seen the blue whale challenge in news, now this is another challenge which is claiming lives, Momo challenge, an online game. Then on page 5 you have this news, is Sabrimala ready for pilgrim season after Kerala deluge? So Sabrimala shrine, which has been in news quite often for different reasons, presently it's in news because of Kerala floods. Then next is here, Qatar offers permanent resident status. So Qatar, which is a tiny nation with 90% of its population foreigners, has now even provided permanent resident status to select expat rights. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial, what's in a name? So this is regarding the issue of the nomenclature as such, Dalits, whether they should be called Dalits or scheduled caste in context of the recent Information and Broadcasting Ministry's suggestion. Then the next editorial, home and away. So this is regarding how India needs to work on its batting side in cricket test matches. So this is again sports related. Then the lead article, all for one, one for all. So this is regarding the military, that how each service of the military has its own importance, and India should make a study of changing character of war too and accordingly develop its military. Then this is steps to stop the rot. So this is regarding millions of food grains which rot in the country, steps that need to be taken for them. Then on the op-ed page you have this article, an assault on the right to privacy. So this is in context of the recent arrests of activists which have taken place. And this is CATSA, a sticking point. So this is in India-US relations, how the foundational agreement on communication is a sticking point, is an issue which needs to be resolved. Then next on page 10 you have this news, Supreme Court refuses to give NRC report copy to Centre. So, and on page 11 you have this news, 2+2 to take full view of ties. So this is regarding the 2+2 dialogue which took place presently. Then on international page, there is no important news. On the business page, you have this news, Supreme Court relief for Maharashtra, Uttarakhand. So this is regarding the ban on construction which has been imposed by Supreme Court on few states who do not have their solid waste management policies in place. And down here you have this news, SEBI to review FPI diktat after panel submission. So this is regarding the foreign portfolio investment notification circular which the SEBI brought out. So this is being reviewed now. And on the last page you have this news, 34% Indians not active enough, World Health Organization. So risk of diseases increase because of not enough physical activity. So this is World Health Organization report. And the last news here is, action on climate change could add $26 trillion to world economy. So means it could avoid premature deaths due to air pollution, which results in constructive or positive economic activity, which will be providing a contribution to the world economy. So this is the news. So these are the important headlines from today's newspaper. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can enroll for our course, details provided here. Also for daily current affairs PDFs, you can visit our website www.aashah.com in the current affairs section. So here daily and monthly current affairs PDFs are available. Daily PDFs are available by the end of the day. So you can download them from here. So that is free. So that is it. Thank you.